step into the world of unparalleled efficiency with our advanced automated packaging solution, meticulously designed for the delicate art of layer cake production. At the core of this system lies a dedication to maintaining the integrity and allure of each confection, from a baker's bread to the customer's hands. Layer cakes emerge from our state-of-the-art forming and cutting machinery with impeccable precision, ensuring uniformity in size and shape for each delectable piece. This intricate process begins with the careful layering of moist cake, sandwiching rich, creamy fillings to create the signature stratified effect. Once assembled, the cakes are meticulously guided through a customized cutting system, where sharp, clean blades descend to portion the cake into consistently sized units. This high-efficiency setup not only standardizes the product for uniform presentation but also prepares them for a seamless transition into the packaging phase. This state-of-the-art system guarantees optimal efficiency from the moment the cake leaves the oven to the point of packaging. Precision is key as freshly baked layers are trimmed to perfection. The cakes are strategic, being gently ushered by our advanced machinery down to a descending conveyor belt. This motion paves the way to immaculate positioning before the final packaging. Arriving at the pillow packaging machine's embrace. Each delectable creation is encased in an airtight seal. Optional enhancements like a hot transfer coding system offer the added advantage of printing date codes or logos for brand reinforcement. Our automated line not only meets but exceeds the demands of modern pastry packaging. It is the embodiment of efficiency, ensuring that every cake is as fresh and inviting as you intend it to be.